Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about my little charging station that I won from Montezuma. Anyway, let me get the camera turned around and let's get into it. Okay. Here it is. This is the fold down drawer I won from this company here, Montezuma, on Instagram. I've already posted about it on Instagram, but just want to show you. I got it mounted. It kind of looks a little bit crooked, but level says it's level. Whatever. Anyway, I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but you pull this pin out, and then the shelf folds down like that. That's pretty cool. And of course I mounted the power strip back there, and also had to, hold on, let me get a flashlight. Look here. Awesome light. Use it all the time. Let me get it a little closer. As you can see, I had to drill a hole in the bottom and put a little rubber grommet in there. Got the rubber grommet from Home Depot. But anyway, that way I could run the power wire through. Here is my 40 volt charger. This is a 40 volt fast charger. Ryobi, yeah, I know people hate on Ryobi all the time, or Ryobi, ever how you want to say it. But hey, they work. I think we got this one when we bought a weed eater, an 18 volt weed eater, and it was not good. So we got the 40 volt. I'll show you that in a minute. This one came with the kit that the drill and the impact driver came in. I got that for Christmas like 3-4 years ago. And it came with 2 batteries. Here's my battery storage up here. The third battery came with the other charger and that weed eater I was just talking about. Here's my 2 40 volt batteries. But I haven't had any problems with the batteries. I've had them, like I said, 3 or 4 years now. I think one of them is, I think these are what? I don't know if you can see that, but these are 1.3 amp hour batteries. But one of them I think is, yeah, that's a 1.5. That came with the weed eater. Those 2 there came with the drill kit. I got that for Christmas as a Christmas gift. The 2 batteries, the charger, the drill, and the impact driver. Like I said, as a kit for Christmas present, because my Matco stuff that I had, all the batteries took a dump, and the batteries was over $200 a piece for the batteries, so I didn't want to buy them. So family member knew I needed them. I needed a drill and stuff, so they got me this. They've done me well so far. I mean, I don't use them every day, but I do use them. They work. So all I can say is they work. They do the job. Now, will Milwaukee or DeWalt, any of the other brands, Cobalt, do it any better? I don't know. Maybe, possibly. But for what I do, these do the job. Now the 40 volt, as you can see up here, is the weed eater. Let me get my light. I guess you can see the weed eater. I also had the stick edger attachment that goes to it. The weed eater so far has been awesome. Using the stick edger, If I edge first, I don't know, I think maybe the battery's heating up or whatever, or maybe the tool's heating up. But if I weed eat first and then edge, I can only edge for like 10 feet and then it stops. And you gotta wait a second, let off the trigger, and then pull the trigger again. And it'll go. But if you edge first, it doesn't do that. And then of course when you weed eat after you edge, it doesn't do that. But the weed eater part, the weed eater is awesome. It's got just as much power as a gas powered weed eater. And then my son, for Father's Day, bought me that blower up there. It's also 40 volt. That is a bad blower. Now, is it as good as a backpack blower, like for commercial use? No. But for blowing off my driveway and everything, and blowing out the garage, it is perfect. It is really powerful. Anyway, back to this over here. Let me get something real quick. Hold on. Okay. Like I was saying, they bought me this. This is just a drill driver, or the driver, impact driver. My drills in my toolbox. There's the battery. Now it don't slide on, it just goes up in the end like that. But guess what? I know it's probably because it don't slide on, like Milwaukee and DeWalt and all the other ones that just slide on. There's no battery slop. This tool does not get battery slop and cut off. And like I said, I know Milwaukee lovers, it's because the way the battery is designed, it don't slide on, it goes up in the bottom. That's fine. But why didn't Milwaukee design theirs like that? I'm just saying, it works. Okay, since we're talking about Ryobi, here's the impact driver I was just holding. Here's my drill. Here's a light. Now this drill here I got before I got all this stuff, because like I said, my Matco cordless stuff took a crap and didn't want to work anymore. I didn't want to buy them expensive batteries from Matco, so, and plus being here at home, I don't have a Matco guy to come around. But whatever, so I bought this. This is a corded drill. I figured since I'm here at home, it don't matter, you know. I can just plug it in anywhere. So I got that. That was pretty cheap. My wife bought me that. That corded drill. It works. It does the job. And then that back there is a jigsaw. Now the jigsaw's sweet. It cuts really good once you get the right blades in it. I was cutting something with it when I first got it, and I thought, man, this thing sucks. Well, it wasn't the saw, it was the blade. I changed the blade, and holy crap, it made a big difference. Anyway, now this light, it's not that good. I'll be honest. It's not that bright, but I mean, it's just a regular old bulb. It's not LED, so you can't expect much out of it, right? But the Ryobi stuff works. I mean, it may not hold up if you use it every day as like a contractor or something, but there are people on YouTube that do use this stuff as a contractor, and they hold up just fine. So anyway, I don't know why there's so much hate on Ryobi. They've been around forever. I'm not saying they're the best you can get, but they're not the worst you can get either. So, whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the little charging station that I made, or not that I made, but that I mounted. And I won this from Montezuma. As you can see, the batteries won't fit down here along with the chargers. And it's not quite wide enough for that big charger to lay down flat, so I got it leaned up like that. I pull the chargers out on here anyway, on the shelf, when I'm charging the batteries, even those. And I just store the batteries up there. They're not in the closed in when it's the drawers are, or the shelf is up, but it's fine. And now one thing, you can't put anything in these corners, because when these arms close in, it'll hit it. So you got to be careful with that. Anyway, let me fold it back up. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. You got to pull that pin out, and it goes in a little hole. But anyway, that's it. That's all I got for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you my little charging station that I made up. Hope you like it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.